Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you're doing fine. So welcome back to Learn Proverbs from Hi Kids Feather Cap. So in the last class we have sent the rain away, very far away, right? So in this class we will learn another amazing rhyme, and that is Ring-a-ring-a roses. And I'm sure that you will love this rhyme. So let's start this class. Okay, so there are four children here. Can you see? One, two, three, and four. There are four children here and they're singing this beautiful rhyme while playing. They're playing and singing, singing and playing. And now we will sing this rhyme with them. Okay, let's start. Ring a roses, pocket full of posies, a tissue, we all fall down. Okay? And when I say we all fall down, you have to fall down. Okay? Like this. You have to fall down. Okay? So now, one more time, we'll sing this rhyme. Ring a roses, pockets full of posies, a tissue, we all fall down. Very good. Now clap for yourselves. This was a very easy and beautiful rhyme that you can play and sing, sing and play, and like this you will be able to learn this rhyme. Okay? Now one last time, you all will sing the rhyme with ma'am. Let's start. Ring a roses, pockets full of posies, a tissue, we all fall down. Very good, class. Well done, everyone. Now, I will see you in the next class with another rhyme. Till then, you all will learn this rhyme, okay? Happy learning, everyone. Bye-bye. Take care.